Remove the packing foam and unpack all contents. Confirm that all components were included in the carton. Remove the blue tape as shown. Open the document cover and remove the plastic sheet. Close the document cover. Remove the protective sheet from over the screen. Open the front cover. Remove the blue tape from the support flap. Remove the drum unit and toner cartridge from the bag. Remove the orange packing material. Insert the drum unit and toner cartridge assembly firmly into the machine. Close the front cover. For more tutorials, FAQs, and videos, visit us at www.brother-usa.com. If you found this video helpful, be sure to subscribe. Thank you for choosing Brother.